Hello students, today you are going to learn determiners from my YouTube channel. Okay, here do watch. Okay, determiners. I wanted to give you the definition for determiners first by showing this slide. Kindly listen, then it will be helpful to you to understand what all the things are there in determiners. Determiners modify nouns by setting a limitation over the nouns to indicate how specific or general they are. Determiner usually appears at the beginning of noun phrases and works as an adjective to modify the nouns. However, determiners are not necessary for every noun phrase. Okay. Before the noun, you had to use determiners. You know well and good. Okay. Without using noun, if you use, it won't be considered as determiners. Let's see the first one. Okay. Definite article. First of all, I want to tell you that the, how to pronounce it. The for consonant sound, the for vowel sounds of noun. You have to pronounce. Okay, so both the sounds for the definite article, right only. Okay, the should be used for consonant sound. The should be used for vowel sound in English. See the example here. Give me the book I read to you yesterday. If you specific, you have to give the definite article the. I want the pencil that you borrowed yesterday. Okay. So you specifically mentioned that the pencil which you borrowed from someone else. Okay. Next, a few more example I want to give you that the reason to apply for the definite article, where to apply. Okay. Before the name of the newspaper, before the name of the musical instrument, before the name of the directions. Okay. North, east, west, south. Then before the monuments, the wonders in the world, you have to mention it. Before the name of the rivers, you have to give definite article. Then before the name of the holy books. Okay, these are all the points to remember while applying the definite article. Let's move to the next indefinite article. The indefinite articles are an. Okay. Indefinite articles should be used only based on the sounds. Okay. As should be used for consonant sounds and should be used for vowel sounds. Give me a book from the shelf. Here, book. Okay, when you pronounce that b consonant sound, so you have to use a. Next, book from a specific shelf. Okay, so that you are mentioning. It's a random. I want an apple. Apple. A sound is a vowel sound, so an will come here. Next, possessive. Whenever you are using possessive pronouns, that comes under determiners because you apply before the noun here. My, your, yours, his, her, our, their, its, whose. Example, my car is parked outside. His house is near the bridge. My best friend is in Singapore. So if you wanna to use your possessiveness before adding the noun, that comes under determiner. It will be called as possessive determiner. Next slide. The demonstrative determiner. Okay, so demonstrative pronoun comes under demonstrative determiner because before that you have to use before the noun here. Okay, this is my book. Okay, this book is mine. That is determiner. This book is mine. Okay, someone asked regarding this in my session. Okay, this book is mine only correct. This example is wrong which given in the slide. Okay, kindly change it as this book is mine. If you give, that is determiner. Okay, demonstrative determiner. Kindly check it out. This book is mine only correct. Okay, Then I will tell you the differences at the last slide about this issue. Okay, without using the noun, if you apply, okay, without then with using the noun, okay, accompanying the noun, okay, that will be taught later. That house belongs to me. Those ducks are beautiful. Okay. Interrogatives. All WHs, okay, will come under interrogative determiner. Which car do you want to buy? What product do you use? In this case, you can make many questions. Okay, whom do you want to meet? When is your time to attend the meeting? If you arise the questions, all the WH comes under interrogative determiner. Next slide here you see quantifiers. Okay, quantifiers means both. Okay, calculated one, countable. Quantifiers are also determiners which modify a noun to indicate its quantity. The quantifiers are any, all, many, much, most, some, a few, and a lot of, a little, a large amount of, none, and the cardinal numbers. Okay, even the cardinal numbers you can use. Okay, 1 dozen cake. Okay, then 1 dozen apple. 2 of my friends. Okay, friends noun. Okay, 2 you are using here. 3 notebook I have missed. Okay, I have missed 3 more books. These are all comes under quantifiers. Let's see the example here. I have some money, but not a lot of it. Here some, a lot of comes under determiners under quantifiers. Many people died in that calamity. Next, let's see here distributive determiners, also called distributive adjectives. Consider members of group separately rather than collectively. Words such as each, any, either, and neither are examples of distributive determiners. See here, each went his own way. Here, each is used as a pronoun without an accompanying noun. So, it won't becomes under determiner. See here, each man went his own way. Here, each is used as a determiner accompanying the noun. Okay, so here see the difference. The same only I have given in that earlier one in the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronoun. Okay, in that this is my book given. This book is mine. If you say, okay, the book is accompanied. Okay, the book noun is accompanied. Okay, with this. Okay, this the determiner. Okay, demonstrative determiner. So we can say it comes under determiner. Without accompanying, we should not say it is used as a pronoun only there. Okay, dear, do you understand? Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, if you like this video, okay, like it and share it. Kindly subscribe it. Okay, many English grammar part oriented videos will be uploaded in this channel. Bye.